So guys, I thought it will cross 737 and 738 and it will go up, but it's not. It's coming towards downside. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yesterday is 4th of May and the time is around 9:30 now. So let's see how the pre-open market is opening. So going to the market data pre-open market. So yes, market is opening in a bit of a gap up section today, that is 0.36% up in the opening itself. So it's opening at 14,687.25 and the advances stocks are 45, declines are 5 and unchanged is 0 stock. Okay. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the most gap up section. That is SBI Life with 4.11% up, Adani Ports with 2.42% up. So let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section in the pre-open market. That is Reliance with 0.46% down and HDFC Bank with 0.32% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market is looking today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, you can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Guys, Upstock is giving you free digital gold whenever you sign up using my link given in the description below. Okay, you can go to the link in the description below and open your Upstock account. So once you open your free account, you will get free digital gold of worth rupees 51 to you. Okay, and to open your Demat account, it's completely free. You don't have to pay any fees. You can use the link in the description below and click that link and open your free account today and get your free Demat trading account and free digital gold and also brokerage free investment in stocks, mutual funds, IPO and digital gold and more. Okay, and once you sign up by using the link given in the description below, I'll add you to my Telegram channel where I give you stock information, news and facts about stock market trading. So open the account now by going to the link in the description below of this video. So click the link and open your free account now and also get your free digital gold today. So guys, right now I've selected JSW to Steel. Okay, so planning for a buy entry. I've not yet taken any entry yet. So once it breaks around 737, I should take my entry. So I'm waiting for my entry. So we'll see how it will happen. So it is going to the higher trend, if you guys can see. Even yesterday also the stock did perform with a higher range. So we'll wait. We'll take some time. So we'll wait for the stock to come up, and once it comes up we shall buy it. So right now it's coming down. So we'll wait for the stock to come up. So guys, I thought it will cross 737 and 738 and it will go up, but it's not. It's coming towards downside. So if it's coming near 727, I should take my short entry. So yeah, we'll wait how it will perform now. It's still at 728. So let's see the market depth. So going to 729. So it's fluctuating a lot. So at the 730 is a main support here. So if it takes the support here and comes up, then it will go up. But it's not taking the support. So we'll wait for a few minutes and then we'll decide the entry on JSW Steel. So yes guys, it's a sell position. So let me just sell it now. So 7 to 7.5 somewhere it has taken the sell now. So we'll wait for it to come down. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, it's at 7 to 5 now. So yeah, I shall book 4 to 5 points and exit my position. Okay, so yes, this is what the intraday trading is. At the beginning of the day I thought the stock will go up and I shall buy it once it crosses 738 or something, but it didn't. But again I decided I will short sell the same stock because it was coming down. Okay, so in intraday you need to be making decision very quickly and a correct decision, which is important. Okay, so you can't keep waiting for the same trend to come. The trend will change anytime in a day because it's an intraday trading and anything can happen. So you need to be ready to go with the market and to fluctuate with the volatility how it's happening. Okay, and I didn't switch the stock. I don't select more stock to see. Okay, I select only one or maximum two stock in my watch list, and only I observe those two stocks. Okay, in that those one or two stock only I trade, whether it's a buy or sell by seeing the trend. So yes, I am almost booking my profit now. So it made a low of 723. If you guys can see, 723.85 is a low made. So I should take my exit nearly very quick because it is safe now, almost like more than 0.3% target, I guess. So guys, yes, I just took my exit around 4 points. Target is hit here. So yeah, I follow the discipline and I don't wait much. So maximum what I target is 1%. Okay, so today the movement was a bit slow, so that's why I thought of keeping 0.5% target and exiting soon and being in a safer side. So it might go down much, but no issues. I booked my decent profit and exited. Okay, so yes, as usual I check my checklist of picking the stock. The stock should be above 150 or 200 rupees, so it is above that. So it's 700 rupees stock, so yes, it will have a good moment. So I selected that, and the next thing is going to fundamentals and seeing the beta value. Beta is above 1 point, so yes, it's matching, so I select the stock. Okay, so by seeing that criteria, I selected this stock and short sold at 727.5 somewhere there, and now I closed my position around 723, 4 points almost profit which I booked, and this was the profit what I was able to book today. So if you guys wish to join us and want to learn all these techniques, you can join my course. So in my course I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks and how to make consistent profit and all these techniques. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today and want to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.